down on your knees, begging for your life. Aim my 44 to your dome. Now you're gone, knife cutting straight to the fucking phone. Hands full of pills, don't know what the fuck they for. Yelling bitches, but you know the devil can't fucking overdose. Darkness taking over all the souls, a look of terror on the faces of the bastards, twisted in the former. The fight is burning, depths of that. It's the question you've been searching, the depths of hell, filled with the forbidden else. Coffin with no fucking else, body dictating the mental self. Look into my fucking narcotic, the face with the devil. No air for me to fucking breathe, no life in front of me.